Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. I am a first year KSU student, second year college student, sophomore at KSU studying in elementary education. So if you haven't seen me before, I hope you click on more of my videos. Today I'm in a different part of my house because we're going to be going through the back door. I mean, I've already filmed the video, but this is just the intro, so I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to be putting a sticker on my car. And also a rainproof sticker on my car and some little hooks to put for backpacks and bags and things to go in my car. I said that 3 times. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video, but I already filmed it, so I guess you know what I mean. I just filmed it after, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Let's get on with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. Today I'm going to be doing some car decor put on. Today, or a couple weeks ago, I went to the bookstore at my college and I purchased some stuff for my car and for other things, you know. So the first thing is my college. It's a very popular college. It's Kennesaw State University. And I'm not worried about, you know, people on the video probably can't read it, but I can read it. And on the back of my car I do have, I will not show my license plate, just because I don't know why people in the road see it. But basically what I did was I just followed the directions. I have a Georgia State University sticker because I went there too. Sorry about the angle. I need to throw all this away. The next thing I'm going to be putting in my car, if I can come around the side. I haven't done a video in a while because my car I got scratched someone's car, and also because I'm in college, so I don't have any time for real. So the second thing I'm going to do is I got these hooks to go on the seats, so I'm gonna put those on the seats. I put like 2 on each because I only have 2 seats that have and then just smush them down. That way, you know, if people want to sit, they don't have to figure out how to do it. And then I'll show you. Stop recording, sorry guys, but this is how it looks. I don't have a light, but they're basically the same little thingies. It's just that I have some right here for people, you know, like if somebody has a bag and they don't want to hold it, I got some little thingies for them to put their stuff on. Especially me, like I have bags that I need to put on my seats, and I continually just don't think about it and just like put it in the seat whenever I could be putting it somewhere else. And the last thing is these little window thingies. I'm gonna keep this. I got these for when it rains, and I'm gonna attempt to put it on my window in case if it rains soon, then I can do that. So I'm gonna get that credit card back out so I can use it. I think there might be a scraper in here. Oh, there are scrapers in here. Okay. I'm going to try out these. What are they? My phone. Sorry, guys. This is for like big ones. And are there even any rules in here? Oh, okay. I think what I want to do is let me see if this fits. I'm going to use the circle ones on my windows, and they have instructions on each. And they also come with a scraper that I guess it's clear, and I already lost it. I don't know where it went. There it is. Okay, so it comes with a scraper, and I will put these on or put them down below, so I will show y'all the before. And also I got these off of Amazon. They're like some cleaner, or they're like some little mirrors for your car. So I'm gonna put my phone right here. It's kind of an awkward spot, but yeah, that was the before, and basically it tells you, okay, peel clear. And I'll speed this up, but I'm just gonna kind of explain it because it's the same exact thingy. Okay, first they said to wipe. It's just wipe it off. And my mirror was like really dirty, and I feel like that's just because of college and driving so much. But, and then number 2 is dry. And this is just a little it's not extremely clean because I drive a lot, but you get what I'm saying. Okay. I'm gonna start with this first one. It says mirror clean, peel is off before. What I'm doing, I know this is kind of probably making the camera dirty, so I'm just like scraping it. I don't know if y'all can. Hi. And I feel like it's gonna rain soon, maybe, or maybe not, because like it's fall, so. But they gave me 2 little scraper thingies. Maybe I can like have my parents try it later. You probably can see all the little things that I can't get it out. Because I don't exactly know, so I had to get it out. But I'm just gonna like leave one on and then see if it like does anything, and then do the other one another day whenever I can see that it's actually raining and I need to do it. But yeah, and since I'm out here, I'm gonna wipe my window off because something dusty's on it and gross. But that was test number 1. That was the last thing. So when I'm in the rain, I will hopefully try and get a test for y'all. But I'm gonna do the other one, like I said, next time when I get a sec and throw all this stuff away. You guys, that was pretty much all. The last thing is that I got a new keychain stuff. Kia Rio keychain, my house key, just everything. So, yep, we did. The only thing I need to do is put the box back in there, and throw everything away. But I hope you guys like this video. I will give you guys a what's in my backpack video, maybe another video with my cousin Jojo. I don't know if they call her Jojo. Josie Drew, that's what we call her. And that was all for today. I just went to my science class. Pretty chill. Not fun chill, but, you know, like, chill. I think that's a TikTok. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hope you like this car video.